Hey guys, this is Robert Lukat Detail again. Check out this truck. This truck was involved in a bit of an accident. They actually lost control and they ended up hitting something. You can see like white paint scuffed up. You see that? So this is a scuff mark. It's more of a scuff mark than a scratch. You can use Lukat Fix It to correct that. This is not a wax, it's a cleaner. It won't remove scratches, it'll remove the light scuffing, light scratches, and light imperfections and stuff. So I'm gonna do a spot right here. Can you get that? Okay, this stuff, I mean, this is on there. Look at what you can do with Lukat Fix It. You put this on, okay, just like that, and you go back and forth. This is all about cleaning, guys. It has nothing to do with shine. You just go back and forth and it'll clean it up. We don't want to mask this, we want to fix it by cleaning it. This is what we're doing. So now, voila, the scuff mark is gone. And so all the other imperfections, such as the light scratches and stuff like that. Keep the video going. We're going to remove this scuff mark right here. Do you see the scuff mark?
Yep.
Okay, so now, you see that scuff mark here? We're gonna clear this up right here. Again, we're using Lukat Fix It. It's a paint cleaner. This will solve a lot of problems, guys. This will repair, clean, condition. Look at that. You just put this on. Just go back and forth. Remember, it's not wax. It's a cleaner. You use this to fix the paint by cleaning. Waxing the paint job is not always the best solution. Cleaning it is good. All right, so I got that off. That scuff mark is gone. Look at that. Voila. Now, we got another one here. This doesn't take all this long, guys. I mean, you can charge to do this kind of work too. Those are the guys that do detailing and stuff. Look at that. So Lukat Fix It. That's the one. Just put it on like that, and voila. Look at that. Rub back and forth until it's nice and clean. Look at that. I use a terry cloth towel when I'm polishing and cleaning. I use a microfiber towel to remove stuff. It's easier like that. You see this one right here? Yep, okay. Again, Lukat Fix It. I'm gonna remove that scuff mark right here. Make sure you get a close up because this is really bad right here. See that? I mean, that's embedded in there. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on there like this. And this, you just go, you don't do circles with this, guys. You just go up and down, left to right. It's a cleaner, not a cutter. It'll just clean and remove all the buildup or the light scuff marks, like in this case. Look at that. Okay. Voila. Now here's some deep scratches and stuff. It's easy to fix, guys. I have videos on my playlist. Watch the videos on how to remove light scratches. It's a light wet sanding job. It's a piece of cake. Watch the video. Repetition is the mother of all teachers. Watch it over and over and you'll get it. Right now we just want to make sure you guys understand that Lukat Fix It is a paint cleaner. This will solve a lot of the problems. We're going to clean this spot up right here. It's a big old spot. Fold up the towel in a tight little square like this. It's the best way to use it when you do it by hand. Apply directly onto the towel. And then we just clean away. You don't have to rub hard, just clean the same spot. And all the contaminants, they just kind of cave in and come right off. Look at that. If you have dust streaks on your truck on the window, you can use this too to clean it off. Put some on like that. Guys, what I'm doing right now is very hard to do with the current products over the counter. I mean, it's a big deal. You don't need to take it to a body shop, detailer. You can do it yourself. Look at that. That's gone. Now I'm gonna just clean this spot up right here. And then put this one on like this. And I'm just gonna clean up this spot right here. It's funny because I'm removing the scuff marks, but you can see how clearly the paint job, how beautiful it looks, because the rest of it's semi-oxidized already. Look at that. Ta-da! There you go. Go and step back, pan back so they can see the whole thing now. So you can see the scuff marks are gone. Lukat fix it, guys. This will solve that problem. Later, guys. Oh, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. They don't have to drive around with butt ugly paint jobs. This will fix it by cleaning. Seal it up afterwards with the Lukat Easy Wax and you're done. Later, guys.